If you are running a business across scattered spreadsheets and loose receipts, finding a single reliable number is nearly impossible. Sabtech Mini ERP takes that scattered data and locks it into a single, structured system. Over the next 6 minutes, we will take your workspace from a completely blank slate to a fully integrated environment, ready to process live transactions. We will achieve this by building out 4 core master data pillars: your company profile, your physical locations, your product inventory, and your user team. Establishing these exact definitions up front ensures your data remains clean and your reporting remains accurate as your daily operations scale up. When you first log in without an existing company, you will land on the onboarding wizard. Start by filling out your base company profile, including your legal business name. You also need to assign a company code. This 3 to 6 letter identifier permanently stamps all your system-generated documents, ensuring your purchase orders and invoices carry a consistent, recognizable prefix. Next, select your default currency, your local time zone, and the baseline tax rate for your region. Once those are set, click Initialize Workspace. While the system loads, it is quietly building your architecture. It creates a primary company record, establishes an initial main warehouse, and assigns you the default administrator role with complete system access. The moment you are redirected to the dashboard, your core workspace is live. You now have the operational bedrock required to build out the rest of your business structure. To mirror your physical business layout, navigate down the left sidebar to the Master Data group and select Branches. Your account already has a default branch, but we need to create a custom location for a specific retail storefront. To do this, simply click the Add Branch button. Enter the name of the new division and its operational details, then save the record. A branch itself is just an organizational label. It cannot hold physical stock. To store goods, you must go to the Warehouses menu, create a new warehouse, and directly link it to that specific branch. Forcing this strict relationship between logical branches and physical warehouses ensures that when your inventory moves, your financial and logistical reporting always knows exactly where it belongs. Now that we have a place to put things, let's add something to sell. Under Master Data, click Products, then click Add Product. Enter the item's name and its SKU, or stock keeping unit. The system requires every single SKU to be entirely unique, as this is the primary identifier for searches and ledger entries. Next, define the financials. Input the default cost price for your purchasing estimates and the base selling price for your retail catalogs. For physical items, turn on the Track Stock toggle to link the product directly to your warehouse shelves. The ERP now actively audits the item. Processing a sales order automatically checks available balances and deducts the exact quantity in real time. Taking the time to properly configure these catalog settings turns a static list of prices into a self-auditing inventory engine that prevents overselling. As your operations grow, you will need to bring in staff, but handing out full administrative control to every employee is a major security risk. Because of this, Sabtech strictly enforces a sequence for onboarding. Roles must always be created before a user is invited. Navigate to Master Data, select Roles, and create a specialized profile. Let's draft a role specifically for a sales representative. Instead of giving them global access, check only the specific permission boxes they need, such as sales.write, ensuring they can issue quotes and orders without ever seeing your purchasing ledgers. With the role drafted, click over to the Team menu and enter your new staff member's email address. From the drop-down menus on the invite form, assign them the Sales Representative role and restrict their access exclusively to the new custom branch we built earlier. Building walls between departments keeps your records secure. Your staff gets the exact tools they need, and your sensitive operational data remains completely protected. Step by step, we have transformed a blank account. You now have a defined company profile, an active custom branch, a categorized product ready for sale, and a secure team directory. All the independent parts of your master data are snapping into place. Your Sabtech Mini ERP workspace is fully initialized and ready for live input. The next logical step is to bring physical goods into your new warehouse by issuing a purchase order to a supplier. Because you took the time to build this foundation, every purchase receipt, stock transfer, and sales invoice you generate from here on out will be perfectly tracked, fully audited, and instantly reportable.